Back on the mainland, my brothers and I used to be green, said Gordon one night in the shed. It makes me different, you see, but I prefer my blue. The engines on our line used to be blue, remembered Donald. They may stay dark as we are, but you mean it never be, though. We had to be black. I like my green, too, agreed Henry. I had to be red like James. People would think I was a fire engine. At least people can see me coming, retorted James. If it wasn't for the noise, you'd yellow and black front like Mavis. Henry just ignored James and went to sleep wondering how to pay him out. Henry was still cross the next morning. What could be wrong? What could be wrong? Wondered the coaches anxiously, as Henry pulled noisily away from the big station. Oh, do come along, Henry snorted impatiently. He bumped the coaches when they reached the end of the line, and again when they backed onto them for the return journey. No one noticed the rattle between Henry's footplate as the fireman fastened the coupling. But soon the train was going well. Hurry, 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 huffed Henry. Faster and faster they went. At last Henry began to feel better. Suddenly he heard a loud rattle from below his cab. Look out! Cried the driver. He applied the brakes while the fireman scrambled forward to the footplate. He was just in time. Both men watched in horror as a widening gap opened between Henry and his tender. Henry stopped as soon as he could. The automatic brake halted his tender and the train somewhere behind. We must drop Henry's fire, said the driver urgently. It'll be dangerous to let him boil dry, now that we can't get more water from the tender. The fireman agreed. Sorry, old boy, he said to Henry. But if you haven't hanged about so much, you wouldn't have broken your tender coupling. While the fireman dealt with the fire, the driver went to tell the signalman what had happened. When he returned, he found Henry in a huge cloud of black smoke, which billowed from beneath his cab. The fireman emerged choking. Henry's sleep is on fire, he said. You stay here. I'll phone the fire department. The driver eased him quickly of the blaze. As the fire brigade began to put out the fire, Edward came to take his train on. Henry felt most uncomfortable. He began to cry. But once the all clear signal was given by the fire chief, workmen made Henry a temporary coupling. They rejoined him to Henry's tender, and the driver drove him gently home. Edward, who of course seen everything, told the others. But Henry, on the other hand, knew that he wasn't supposed to go too fast to break his tender coupling. We were here first. What you say? That you only meant well, 'cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the